Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal and Metal and welcome to my channel. Hopefully you all had a good holiday. I am back and ready to make some more videos. Today we have Hot Wheels Mercedes 190, and this is a period correct car, and it's one of 750 supposedly produced for the period correct, which is it's like an apparel company out of California. They have little bags and stuff like that for the gentleman racer, so to speak. So we'll go ahead here and we're going to unveil this. We're going to take it out of the box and check it out and spin it around and examine it up closely. Here we go. Here's the box. There's the case. We have it very similar to a Toy Fair case setup. Alright, we'll go ahead here and dismount it. It looks very, very cool. So we'll go ahead here and I want to take a closer look at it off the stand. This is all over metal. Of course, has the metal base, premium wheels and tires, nice paint job. My only complaint would be I'm not sure I care for the white around all the windows. Looks really odd to me. I think black would have worked better. I don't mind the white rear wing, but the white trim around the windows is really odd to me, but it's really, really well done. It's of course a fictional race car livery. Has period corrects logos on it. And it says correct on the California license plate. And what's it say? If we win on Sunday, sell on Monday, which was of course an old slogan they used to always use. And I think this is really, really cool though, and it's unique. I think being, it of course evokes the memories of the DTM race cars of the early to mid 90s. And when I saw these online, I had to have one. I actually have another one coming soon as a more of an investment type keeper, I guess you want to say. So there you go. That is the period correct Mercedes 190E 2.5 from Hot Wheels, and that is very cool. It's a late 2018 offering, and I believe they're all sold out now, but you can find them. They're starting to ramp up in price on eBay. I think it originally sold for like $20 or $25 through Period Correct's website, but you're not gonna find them for that price now. They pretty much almost 4 times that now. But I would say it's a very, very cool Hot Wheels car to have in your collection if you're into European cars such as myself, and also care about ones that are the creme de la creme of Hot Wheels, so to speak, and are also on investment grade levels, I should say. So there you go. Hope you guys like that. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications of up and coming videos. And I really appreciate everybody's support, and I hope everyone has a prosperous year 2019. and I will continue making videos as long as you guys continue to watch them. And I will see you guys later. All right, bye now.